how to speed up clip in iMovie. If you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now the very first step you have to do is you have to open iMovie in your Mac, and once you open, this is how the timeline will look like, or this is how the iMovie interface will look like. Now I have already created a short video over here. Now if you don't know how to bring video to this timeline, I have already made videos on iMovie previously, so you can go and check it out. You have to import video to my media, and from there you can click and drag the video to timeline like this. So that's simple. Now this is the normal video. If I show you, so it's just a normal video with normal speed. Now there are two ways by which you can speed up a particular video or particular clip. Now if you want to increase the speed of this whole clip, you have to select that entire clip, right click, and then you have to select show speed editor. As soon as you select that, you can see there is a circle like icon at the top with the black line like this. So you have to hold this circle like icon, you have to click and hold it and bring it back to speed up the clip. Now you can see there is a rabbit icon on the clip over here, which will indicate that the clip has been speed up. Now if I play the clip, so we have successfully done the changes. Now to bring it back to the default setting, Command Z, and it's gone. Now it's just again a normal video. Okay. Now to hide this speed editor, select clip, right click and hide speed editor. Now it is gone. Now you know how you can speed up a clip, but for example, if you want to speed up a particular part, let's say from here, let's split the clip here till here. Split the clip. Now I want to speed up only this particular part. Then you have to clip the video like this, select that particular video or clip, right click, show speed editor, again the same thing, click and hold this circle icon, bring it back. You can notice there is a rabbit like icon on that particular clip, so which will help us to see that this particular clip is a speed up clip. Now if I play the video, so you might have noticed this particular clip is playing in that fast format. Again Command Z to bring it back to the original setting, hide speed editor. So this was the first step, using speed editor. Now the second way of speeding up the clip is select that particular clip and go over here in this speed icon. For example, if it is like this, you have to select this speed option, and in speed currently it is normal, so you have to select the drop down, select fast, and it is by default selected at a 2x speed, and you can see the rabbit like icon has appeared on the clip, which indicates that the video is playing in 2x format. So currently it is at 2x speed. Now if you want to increase the speed, from here you can select 4x. Now you can see it will play at a 4x speed now, right? Similarly, you can increase the speed from here. You can select 8x, and that's the maximum we can go with this particular clip. If I play again, that's it. So this is how you can speed up a clip in iMovie, and after doing all the changes, you can then adjust the audio as well. If you want to bring down the audio like this, you can adjust it as well. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.